when do we use ANOVA or one-way analysis of variance? One-way ANOVA usually compares the mean of more than two groups. Actually, it's like t-test independent sample. The difference is that in using one factor ANOVA we are comparing more than two groups. So this is how we compute the one-way ANOVA in SPSS. First, go to variable view. In variable view, input your grouping variable like, for example, strand, and then what variable you compare with. Let's say, for example, match score. So let's say our SOP or statement of the problem is there is a significant difference on the match scores of the grade 11 student when they are grouped according to strand. So let's say there were 3 strands that are to be compared. So here, on other hand, go to data view, and in data view encode the strand and the score of per student. So let's say, for example, there are 3 strands, and the strand 1, strand 2, and strand 3. So for corresponding student, you have to encode the strand and his or her score. Say, for example, the first 10 respondents are from strand 1, and these are their corresponding score in mathematics, and then the respondents 10 to 20 are from strand 2, and these are their corresponding score in mathematics. And for respondent 21 to 30 are from strand 3, and these are their corresponding score in mathematics. Once we have already encoded, just click analyze and then compare means, then one-way ANOVA. So you have to input the match score to dependent list which the variable we will compare with. Here in the factor, what you will encode or input are the grouping variables. So in our example, the grouping variable are the strand. Then once we have already entered it, you may just click option, click descriptive, then continue. Then pause HOC. Then search for Cheffy or Cheffy test. Cheffy or Cheffy test is used to see later on which among the variables being compared contributed to the significant difference found in case there is a significant difference in the result. So here in the table that appeared, we can see the mean in the descriptive. The mean of each strand and their corresponding strand deviation. So which data we will take from here as the result of one-way ANOVA. So we will look at in here in the big significance, and this the significance which is 0.001. So if the result is 0.001, the mean is less than alpha, that is 0.05. If the computed p-value is less than 0.05, the mean there is a significant difference found. So if there is a significant difference found, meaning we have to reject our null hypothesis. If our null hypothesis state that there is no significant difference on the match score, the student or the respondents when they are grouped according to their strand.